Hello, so boys and girls. Today I will teach you some math from 6 years on. It's on algebra. Okay, let's come to next lecture. Lecture 5 is talking about the application of prime numbers. Okay, let's come to the first example. The first example, you have the multiplicand is 327 and the multiplier is 6. So now you want to find the product of these two numbers. The first step, you need to multiply 6 by 7, so you got 42. So you write to here and you write on the borrowing row is 4 here. And next step, you multiply 6 by 2 and you got 12 and add 4. So you got 16, you write 6 here and number 1 on carry row. And the last step, multiply 6 by 3 and add 1, so you got 19. And the last answer is 1962. Okay, let's come to the next example. The next example, you have the multiplicand is 342 and the multiplies is 34. So you write this number vertically and multiply by digits from the right to the left. The first step, you need to find the partial product. The first step, we multiply 4 by 2, so you got 8. And next step, 4 by 4, you got 16, so you write 6 here, and borrowing rows, you write 1 here. Next step, you write 4 by 3, so you got 12, so and add 1, so you got 13. And next step, you need to find the partial product for the next digits. The next digits of the multiplier here is 3. So you write partial product below the first partial product and leave one page to the left here. The 6 by 2, so you got 6 here, right down here. Leave one page to the left. And next step, you multiply 3 by 4, so you got 14, so 12, so you got 12 and you write 2 here. And remember, write a carry row here. Next step, 3 by 3 at 1, so you got 10. Finally, you find the product by adding two partial products. So got I adding by the column vertically. And 6 and 6, you got 12 here. And you write 2 here and add 1 from add 1 to number 3 and add to got 6 here. 1 and next step, you add 1 and 0, you got 1 and write down number 1 left. So you got 11,628. Here is the product of these two numbers. Okay, let's come to the next example. The multiplicand is 542 and the multiplier is 651. So you will calculate from the right to the left from the first digits of the multiplier. First step, you need to find the partial product. 1 by 2, so you got 2. 1 by 4, you got 4. 1 by 5, you got 5. And the second product, second partial product. 5 multiplied by 2, so you got 10, and you write 0, and the carry rows you write 1. Next step, 5 by 4 and add 1. So you got just 1 here, and the carry rows is 2. You write here. Next step, 5 by 5 and add 2. So you got sub 27. Okay, next step, you find the multiplier. You will calculate net digits of the multiplier is 6 to find the partial product. The third partial product, you will calculate 6 by 2, so you got 2, and flip 1 page to the left. And you write the carry rows 1 here. And next step, you multiply 6 by 4 and add 1, so you got 5 here. And write the carry rows 2. And last step, 6 by 5 and add 2, so you got 32. And finally, you find the product of the multiplications. So add these 2 rows here. So the last product, you add by vertically the numbers at the same column. 2 right down here. And next column is 4. Next column 5, add 1, add 2, so got 8. And next column 7, add 5, so it tells you right here, right to here, and 1, 1 add 2, so got 5, and write out number 3 here. So last answer you got is 352,080 Okay, here's some question for homework. Let's do the first multiplication, the second, and the third. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your listening and watching. Remember to subscribe for next lecture. Goodbye.